Let's do a quick trade breakdown of the trade that I took last week on EURGBP. At the start of the week, I had mentioned that I was bearish on this pair for the reason that I explained in that video. And this is the new week's candle that had closed, and we see that it was a bearish close candle. There were 3 down close days, and so there were more selling opportunities than buying opportunities. The analysis starts on the daily time frame, where price was trading inside of a huge daily fair value gap. This is the daily fair value gap right here, denoted by this red rectangle, and this was Monday's price action, which was when I took the trade. You see, Monday was a down close candle, Wednesday was a down close candle, and Friday was a down close candle. So there were more opportunities to be a seller in this week's price action. Let's zoom in to see why and where I took the trade that I took. These are the elements of our trade setup. We want to first have our bias, then we want to have our context. The bias is the direction in which we are looking to trade. The context is the area of interest, and then we have the entry. So what was the context for this trade? The context was that inside this daily bearish fair value gap, a swing high had been printed, denoted by this blue line. When Monday opened and price traded above this swing high that was created in the premium level of the daily gap, that is where we became interested in the trade idea. What you do is you go down to the 1 hour time frame or the 15-minute time frame to see how price reacts to taking out this high. Then if you get an entry confirmation, you can take your trade to the downside. So let's go down to the lower time frames to see what happened when price interacted with this daily swing high inside of the premium fair value gap when we were bearish. Here we are on the 15-minute time frame inside that daily fair value gap, and this is that blue line denoting the swing high. We see Asia session trading higher, and then during London session time, London session takes out the high, and then during the kill zone, you see this huge bearish expansive candle on the 15-minute time frame. You see how it's bigger than the last 20-something candles. That is the rejection that we want to see. We are inside the bearish daily fair value gap. We have just taken out a daily swing high, and we are seeing this huge reaction to the downside. This was where I executed my trade. I took the trade short right here. I put my stop some distance above the high, and I was targeting 2R. I was in this trade for a few hours. I entered it during London session Monday morning, and I hit take profit almost 24 hours later during Asia session on Tuesday.